Alright, y'all, so I had to come out and get Cam, so it's only gonna take me about 10 minutes, literally 5 minutes to get over here, 5 minutes to get back home. Today I am meal prepping white chicken chili, and for dinner I am making butter chicken. Then again, I don't know if I want to do just butter chicken or try and do you know, like a little bit of both. I also have the tikka masala one, so I don't know if I want to do one or the other. I know Charles might like the tikka masala better because it's a little more spicy apparently. But I have the garlic naans. I really just need to make sure that I have rice, and I don't think that I do, so I'm just gonna grab a bag of rice over here from my grandmother's house. White chicken chili can easily be for my lunch tomorrow, and then lunch Tuesday. It also can serve as dinner if anyone, you know, would rather have that than the butter chicken, whatever. So once I get back, I'll put that on. Sky's hair is still in the box braids, and as you guys can see, if she didn't have the hoodie on, you'd see that it's still in good condition. So I probably won't do her hair until next Sunday, and next Sunday I probably really won't even need to do it either, because the kids don't have school that Monday and Tuesday. So yeah, Halloween is Friday, and you know, like, teachers go crazy when Halloween is on a weekday, but this is the first time in a while that Halloween has ever been on a Friday. So it means you get to have, you know, Friday to go out and trick or treat, hang out, party, blah blah blah. You got Saturday, Sunday, and then the kids have Monday and Tuesday, so they don't go back until Wednesday, I think the 6th. And honestly, I'm not going into the building. So if I need to do a day, I will do just that for both of those, because I just have that much time. Okay, I just have that much time. So anyways, Cam's hair needs to be done today. I probably will wash his, blow dry it, and then do it, because we've just been doing it the last 2 weekends that at this point it's time for a good wash. Cam's hair kind of reminds me of mine, where it's like sometimes it can get, you know, like dry from not having enough stuff in it. So anyway, that is what I'm going to do right now, later. And then of course, I don't know, I really want to make these pumpkin strudel muffins, you know, like the big box. I want to make that, as far as like the strudel muffins, so that I can have them for breakfast, and I don't have to worry about going to get no breakfast this week. So that's that. I'm literally stretching what I have in the house for dinner, and you know, for my lunch this week, and going from there. Good thing is I have like 1 or 2 Campbell's soups at work. I also, you know, have like a yakisoba at work, and I have a tuna fish kit, you know, not a kit, but I have the tuna fish where I could just, you know, just eat that and not have the crackers, you know what I mean? Like, I'm making it do what it do. So anyways, I will catch up with y'all later. So as I'm heading to go get Cam, I asked my grandmother for a block of cheese, because in order to make the chicken chili, white chicken chili, you have to use a block of cream cheese. So you wash off your chicken breast, put it into the crock pot, and then you use 1 teaspoon of the seasonings. Y'all just got to go find that recipe online if you really want to find it, and because I've made it here on this channel before. So 2 cans of Great Northern beans, 1 can of corn, and then 1 can of Rotel. Literally put everything all together, and then the only ingredient that you're keeping for last is that cream cheese, which is going to make it look white eventually. So as you guys can see here, this is what it looks like once it's done. But when you add in the cream cheese, it just makes it really creamy. So I just decided to do a voiceover for this part because this clip was corrupted. Basically, I am watching Nobody Wants This. Me and Charles watched this together, and I definitely think that season 1 is much better. You know, everybody has their own opinions, but season 2 is good as well. It's just all the stuff that happened in season 1 kind of, you know, gave hope for, you know, like really good things to happen. And I'm not saying that it didn't in season 2, but like I said, everybody has their own opinion. So it is like actually really cold in the house, was what I was saying in this clip. And I decided to make a French vanilla frappuccino. And then, you know, like I said, watch Nobody Wants This, you know, still. And then, of course, I'm heading to go into the kitchen to make some butter chicken. Now, I do love making this little small Indian meal. Literally butter chicken, garlic naan, some jasmine rice. This time I'm using sticky rice just to see like what's the difference. But literally you just chop up your chicken breast into like little different strips. And then from there, you just coat it in oil, fry it up, whatever. And then I am, you know, gonna have that for dinner. The next morning, I just decided to get up and make me a coffee, and then go ahead and put together some white chicken chili in a bowl so that I can take that to work for lunch. And that is honestly all that I did.